Welcome back to the channel, my beauties. I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to be crocheting the headband, and we are going to use the katopu yarn, and we are going to use a 3.5 millimeter hook. This is a thin yarn but not too thin. It's a medium yarn. So we are going to start by making a chain of multiples of 7 times 10. So that would make it 70. So let's do a slip stitch. So multiples of 7, I mean you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this counts as 1. And let me just do that so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That counts as 2. So you're going to repeat that up until you've done it 10 times. Okay. We have reached the end of the row, and now you hold on here and you're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then in that same space you're going to make a double crochet. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down here we're going to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in the 7th you're going to make a double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space we're going to make a double crochet. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 7th you're going to make a double crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you are going to make a double crochet in the same space, and then we are going to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to make a double crochet in the 7th, and then you're going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space we're going to make a double crochet. So this is how it looks. I'm going to continue the pattern of line and we'll meet at the end. Okay, I am left with the last 7. I've chained 4. I'm going to go in the last one. This is our 7th one with a double crochet, and then chain 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space a double crochet. Now we are moving on to row 2, and I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work around, and we are going to make 4 double crochets in this space. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are moving into this space in between here with a single crochet. So single crochet, you go underneath, pull, and then pull through both, and then we are going to move into between the triangle with 7 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we are moving in the space, we are moving to the space, and then we're going to make 1 single crochet, and then we move into the triangle with 7 double crochets. That's how our pattern is going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we are moving in the middle with a single crochet, and then you are going to continue with the pattern up until we are close to the end here. We are at the end of the row for row 2, and then we are going to make 4 double crochets in this space. 2, 3, 3, and then the last double crochet is going to be on the row itself. Okay, so chain 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to go in the same space with a double crochet. This is row 3, it's repeating row 1. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you are going to go on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th, that's where we are going to make our double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space a double crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then count in the next space 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and then double crochet in the same space. I'm going to show you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to look here for the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th double crochet. That's going to be the middle one, and you're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, and then in the same space 1 double crochet. All right, I've reached the end of the row, and we are going to go into the last chain and make a double crochet, and then chain 1, 2, and then in the same space a double crochet. There, it's making our triangle. Okay, so chain 1, 2, 3, we are continuing with this one, and we are going to make 3 double crochets in the triangle, and then it makes it 4. Okay, and then we are going in here, and then now we are continuing with the pattern of making 7 double crochets in this space before we make a single crochet in between the triangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we are moving here to make a single crochet and then continue with the pattern. I'm going to repeat our pattern, so we're going to repeat this pattern in here, and then this one here is going to be the last one. Okay, we have completed that, and now we are going to crochet 7. This is our last thing for the body of the headband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to go here and make a single crochet. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're going to count 1 2 3 in the 4th single crochet. So you see it's closing our work. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, count 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, then in the 4th single crochet. We have completed the body of the headband, and then of course at the end here I did 1 double crochet, but I think I actually need to do that, not 1 double crochet but single crochet. So chain 1 2, and then we're going to make half double crochets in the spaces. So make half double crochet in here, half double crochet. So let's go down the line with half double crochets. Here and then over here. And in there. Chain 1, turn the work around. We are going to start decreasing by crocheting in here a double crochet, and then we're going to merge 2 double crochets into 1 by going underneath and then immediately going underneath. Now I have 4, and then you're going to go underneath and go through 3 and then go through 2. We've merged 1 double crochet, and then move on with double crochets to the other side. When you're left with 3, you're going to merge the 2 before the last one. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to merge here and here. Merge and then the last double crochet. Turn the work around, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet, and then merge the 2 by going underneath and then go underneath again, go through 3, go through 2, and here we go. Now we're going to merge the other side. So you're going to merge until you are left with 2. Go in, go in. So I'm going to continue merging, and then I wanted to show you I've merged here, and now I'm left with merging this 2. I've merged them. Now chain 1. We're left with 3, and I'm going to crochet 1 and then merge the 2. All right, now we're left with 2, and I'm going to chain 1 2 3 and then double crochet in here, then chain 1 2 3, double crochet at the top of this one. If you want to only have 1 long chain, you can do that, but yeah, I think I'm going to keep 1 2 3, keep it going with this 2 rows. 1 2 3, turn the work around, and 1 double crochet in here. So the 3 chains represent 1 double crochet. So there is this side, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So count how many you have started with on this side and make sure that your half double crochets are the same amount as this side. Okay, and that's going to be our top completed. Oh, not top, see, I'm used to crocheting. And that's going to be our headband completed.